That's very challenging. Also, when I'm teaching tango technique and I have a very rigid structure of eight beats or two phrases, I have that structure with that rhythmical aspect, and I try to choose a song where that particular rhythmical order can suit most, but it will never suit 100%. And I have to tell people that. But to teach people to improvise, it's to teach people a sensation. So you have to give them a lot of examples of how they can change the rhythmical part of the sequence so they can be ready to adapt the sequence to the music.
For those of you who have been dancing tango for years, but you feel that you can't quite capture the essence of it and step up to the next level, still struggling to communicate in the language of tango. And for those of you that are just at the beginning of your tango journey, maybe not even taken a class yet because it's intimidating and you are not sure if it is for you. Never before has this ensemble of tango experts came together to reveal the unique and ever-changing thought process behind teaching, learning, sharing and evolving Argentine tango. The Tango Secrets Summit will give you a glimpse into full understanding. It will allow you to attain unattainable, even if just for a second.